Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn my chocolate drip into chocolate buttercream. Okay, so basically this is like a two-way recipe and I use it a lot, especially when I'm very busy and I have a lot to do. So I make a drip and then turn the drip into buttercream. So I'm going to be showing you how I do that today. So you're going to be needing 200 grams of chocolate, yes, and then to that we're going to be adding 100 grams of butter to that, and then we're going to melt it in the microwave. This recipe is amazing because like it makes me a perfect drip. Like if I have like a drip cake and I also want to make like a buttercream for a cake, so like I just do one thing and like I can use it to make two things. I know it's a lazy person's method, but like most of my cake decorating is for lazy people. Anyway, so you want to pop it in the microwave and melt it for a few seconds, and then you don't want to melt it too much because that way your chocolate might burn. So just pop it in the microwave for like 15 seconds and then stir. If it's well melted, great. If it is not, then pop it back the second time and give it a few more seconds. Okay, so once like it is ready, just bring it out and then stir it. What that does is that your chocolate won't be too hot, so you can use it as a drip almost immediately. The longer you leave it to cool, the thicker it gets. So at this stage it's good enough to be a drip for my cake, and it won't melt. Like it's not hot enough to melt the frosting underneath my cake. So I'm going to take some and then put in my piping bag because I had a cake I wanted to use it to drip on almost immediately. So what I did was to fetch out some, just a little, you know, for the side drips and stuff. So once you're done with that, the remaining you want to stir it, scrape it into the bowl, and then stir it into one portion, and then cover it with cling film. The reason why you're covering it with cling film is so it doesn't form like a film on top, because that film will make it like have lumps. It will give you buttercream lumps when you're ready to whip. So you want to cover it with cling film and then leave it for a few, let's say around 30 minutes to 1 hour. Just, you don't have to keep it, but you can keep it in the fridge for maybe 15 minutes plus. That way it will cool faster. But if you're just going to leave it on the counter, you can leave it for like 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so now we are going to whip. That's all you have to do, guys. Like whip for around 5 minutes. So what I did was I whipped for about 2 minutes and then scraped down the sides of the bowl and then whipped for another 2 minutes, and that's all you have to do. So now I have chocolate drip for my cake and chocolate buttercream for my other cake. I love it. I love when I can like do something easily and like it will still be delicious, and I won't compromise on quality or anything. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. So if you're going to try this recipe, please try it and let me know what you think about it, because I absolutely love it. And also you can try this with white chocolate. So if you want a buttercream that is not chocolate, like you want it to be white, or you want to be able to color it, so just replace the dark chocolate with white chocolate, and then you're going to have a perfect buttercream just like this. And see how well it pipes. Like it is very chocolatey. It tastes just like chocolate fudge frosted. It's amazing. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my future videos. I love you. Bye.